In the air, man. There's so much love on the internet. I just want to share that with you guys. And I'm gonna give you a name now. You are the dopers. Whoever is watching and subscribing to my show, I call you dopers because we have a dopest show in KZN, if not the world. DOP at Debit Online Podcast. Guys, there's love in the air. Definitely. I'm talking about the huge superstars who are about to form a power couple, and they are all from KZN. But I'm not sure about the age gap and shit. But I think the sister is maybe quite older than the cheater. Maybe you're wondering who I'm talking about. I'm talking about Bafetu Mahu. Mahu is so talented, very beautiful, very private. Also, a award-winning musician, recording artist. Like, I don't know. She's got everything. Maybe you can guess who I'm talking about. The guy that is about to hit that thing. Who else can it be, man? Just give me a hit, like it up in my comment section. But before I waste your time, I think it's gonna be Umkilan. Yeah, ubaba umkhandlu. Ubaba uGobela. Yeah, indoda ephothulayo. The internet is crazy, guys. There's a VN that's leaked because who's been looking for the guy, and then the guy being I'm told up until I'm told, and then I send the VN. So stick around so you can find out what was on the VN, and because about bayayithandile VN kamkilo, and I'm sure sisibekade echamekile naye khona because everybody is charmed. Even gay people, they are also charmed by the man. Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? Guys, don't forget to get those tickets. We got a comedy coming up on 6 August. Zobilapana, a Pinback Jazz Lounge next to Zybe Restaurant Buffet too. The lineup is dope. It's the Pinback Comedy Show, guys. Every first Thursday of the month, we're going there. So see you there. I'm at out to, I think 180. Yes, but out 250 at the door. So guys, you can come along. There's a lot of things that we need to talk about. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Deb and Igcwele Lapana. A Pinback. Yes, Pinback Comedy Show is back at the Pinback Jazz Lounge. See you on the 6th. Buffet 2 Amatikiti at Web Ticket, Naga Pick and Pay, or you can get them at the door. Thank you so much. See you there. Yeah. Self Umkilan. Now, let's see what happened on the internet. This is Mahu on Facebook saying, okay, Mkilane uyangiziba ku WhatsApp. Who can ziba Umahu? Who can ziba Umahu? Mina, okay, let's leave it like that because I'm a married man. But who can ziba Umahu? That thing fetched about 32,000 likes, about 1,500 comments, and shared many times. Then a day later, what I sing him to lead. Now I know everybody wants to know what to Utain Umkilane after all this thing. After all this thing. Like you can see the Ungim Tolile just got 700 reactions. And some nabantu abaphendula amasap nabo lapho abantu abamasap nabo abakuphendulile lapho 42. I wonder what they were saying about this new relationship between Umahu and Gilani. Now let's hear my boy Gilani what he said, because yo, it feels like Gilani did some things here, man. Let's listen up.
Kaneka ma alright, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila Ncese dadewethu, lalela into eyenzakalayo. Siyagejana nami ngike ngazama ukuthi ngikuthole ngangakuthola juice mhlawumbe ukuthi bebhizi wami but kodwa nje ngikhona mfethu mzori kakhulu hayi ukuthi ngizibanga amabomu mfethu akuyona inhloso, don't take it personally. Alright, Kardashian lasemkhandlwini kodwa-ke ngane kamadadewethu ayi sendele ingqabulo kuqala ithini into or save the date ngizoyisave mami kuleyo ngizoyisave kakhulu ngane kama-honey Jew.
There are a few words I picked up from this VN. Khona Honey Jew, khona ingqabulo, khona iKardashian, khona lelinye igama sengilikhohliwe alishilo. But I think Naim Kilane is somebody, is someone else because I think Kilane becathi sethola umuntu yabo wabamba uThai kahle kahle ilokhuzana i-booking since uma who ezoba ne-Sun-Kissed Loan ezobe lapha ne-Sun-Kissed Loans eThekwini ngomhla ka-28 November. Wow, yabona, well, everybody was thinking maybe this is about love. No, Tommy, no, it's about a booking. It's all about marketing skills. And now I'm even adding towards this shit. Good night, I was the promote it. Any angle, but this is nice. I like this thing. I like how they do things. I really like what Mahu did posting that thing. I like how Kilane responded. Yeah, well, but the question is, do you really think Mahu and Kilane can make a powerful couple in KZN in the music industry? Hit me up in the comment section. Tell me what do you think about this thing. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Wow, God Bob. Yeah. Please watch other videos that are popping up on my screen. Thank you.